Hello everyone. In this episode we've got a mixed bag. We've got some scavenging, I'll get that right, bin dipping. We've got some planting and we've got some potting on. These amaryllis are amazing. Look, I've got three now. 1, 2, there. But the flowers, they're just structurally unbelievable, amazing, and they come out so slow. They're almost like a slow-mo work of art when they come out. They're phenomenal. So I've just been to the dump to drop off a whole load of waste, and I saw in the green waste dump someone had thrown these 2 clematis. Now I'm not sure if they're dead or not, but I thought I'd give them a go. So I'm going to try one down here. We've got one here anyway, which is a pale blue, I think. So I think one of those is a white one, the one I got from the dump. So I'll try that here, might be a nice contrast. Put a bit of compost in, just to bed it in. So these are the 2 plants I got from the dump. When I dropped my waste off, someone had thrown these away. Now, they could be dead. They could be, I don't know, they could be too far gone. But, ever the optimist, I'm going to whack them in somewhere around the garden. Well, one of them here. Let's see what happens. I might take these canes off. I mean, if nothing else, I've got 5 or 6 canes that I didn't have before. Now the root ball seems alright, but all this I think is snapped at the base. We'll leave it there just in case. Let the wire do its thing, chicken wire. As I say, I think because it's snapped here, an issue, but we'll see. So that's that one. The other one is a purple mauvey variety, which I think is what we've got here anyway. So I'll find somewhere else in the garden to put this. So the idea here is to put clematis in the base here and let it use all this as a frame to grow up. There's a lot of roses along here, so it may be a bit crowded, and loads of hazel, which the squirrels take all the nuts and bury them. Oh, got some long-tailed tits on our feeder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ground ivy everywhere. see what happens. Clematis arabella. So these are the hollyhocks that have grown from the scattered seed that I did last season. It's now time to dig some of them up and pot them up. Don't want to damage the taproot if I can help it. We've got about 4 here. Got some horrible old stony soil there. So we'll mix it with some compost. They're quite rugged, they'll grow anywhere. I've got 3 here. Grab another pot. So I'm going to be inundated with hollyhocks, but I like an easy win. Right. See how they go. Look at that beauty. That's a bacon and homemade sauerkraut sandwich. That's our homegrown cabbage and beet, which goes into the sauerkraut. Yum yum. Thanks again for being with us, everyone. Sometimes I struggle finding jobs to do initially. Then I get out there and do them and I forget to film. One of those things. Many of you probably don't know that my background is marketing. So basically on the publishing side, I've got my website, gardeningdiary.co.uk, where I'm going to be doing more and more product and tool reviews on there, via YouTube. But I'm also in the middle of setting up a gardening news website, which just aggregates all the news into one place. But it's going to be more sort of based on sustainability, biodiversity, that sort of thing. So that won't be ready for, probably 3 or 4 weeks yet. But that'll be gardeningnews.co.uk. So if you want to catch up on your news in about 2-3 weeks time, go to gardeningnews.co.uk, and hopefully if there's anything you'd like to see on the news channel or gardening news channel, maybe you can pop some ideas in the comments, and I'll take a look at them. I'm enjoying everyone else's content as well. I think it's a great sort of community, really, that everyone has now sort of got the confidence to just get out there and film stuff. I think it's great. It beats the shit that's on the main channels, isn't it? We use YouTube more and more now as general viewing, and it's just nice to see real stories from real people, Anyway, do what makes you happy. We'll catch you next time.